Morning guys, happy Monday. Hope you're all doing well. What an insane weekend it has been, and last week as well with cryptos. I'm going to get into my crypto purchases and also my dividends, which are upcoming this month, and what I've been paid. So stick around for this massive video, guys. Cheers. Good morning guys, Anthony from the Wall Street Bull here. I hope you're doing well. I've got my morning coffee. What an insane week it has been with cryptocurrencies in the stock market. Everything is just hitting at once, and this is what you call diversifying, I guess. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button because it really helps the algorithm and builds this channel. And most importantly, I love building dividend wealth with everyone and wealth in general, guys, because whenever there's an opportunity, I'm going to jump on that train and see how far I can go, guys, because really with cryptocurrencies right now, I'm seeing returns that I have not seen in the stock market for the last 2 years that I've been investing in the stock market, which is crazy. So guys, I'm using CoinSpot. As mentioned in my earlier video, guys, I started buying cryptos using CoinSpot. They had some issues yesterday because there is a market downturn. You can see a lot of cryptos are down at the moment, which is a great buying opportunity. Bitcoin is sitting at about $74,000 Australian right now, and that has dropped significantly, guys, by 6%. So it was literally up around the $80,000 mark. So you're getting a 6% discount the way I look at it. As well as these other coins like Ethereum is down 3%, BNB is down by 6.67%, XRP is down by 8%, and Dogecoin. Everyone is talking about Dogecoin, guys, and it started out as a joke, but now this has seriously got on its own train right now. It is full steam ahead. I don't see this thing slowing down and dropping below what I bought it at, which was 0.05, so 5 cents a coin. And I don't see it ever going back down to that. And that was a time in February that I bought Dogecoin, and I've held on to them and I've just forgot about it. And now with regards to Dogecoin going absolutely bananas in the last week, I can't explain the gains that I've had, guys. I mean, literally making $2,000 or $3,000 on your money in like 2 months. That is unheard of, guys. You can't do that in banks. You can't do it in the stock market. Cryptocurrencies right now are going through the roof. So I'm very happy that I invested in Dogecoin and got in before all this these huge gains, guys. So currently it's sitting at a market cap. Obviously, the higher the market cap, the better up the coin is in the cryptocurrency chain. So it's sitting at $54 billion, guys. That puts Dogecoin in the top coins in all of cryptocurrencies, guys. It's obviously got a long way to go to get to the market cap of Bitcoin, which is $1 trillion, guys. But if you look at this, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Dogecoin. Cardano is next as well, guys. Really, really, really insane stuff, guys. It's had as mentioned, I bought a 0.05 cents a coin, and that's now sitting at 43 cents. It did peak at around 60 cents last week when all the hype was going down. I think a lot of people took their profits out of Dogecoin as well, which is great. I don't want to sell anything. I'm going to hold this as long as I can because I really do believe it'll go to $1, which would be an insane investment, guys. And if it goes anything above $1, which I predict it may or may not, who knows? With the way it's going at the moment and the press that it's getting in the all around the world, whether it be on CNBC or Bloomberg and whatnot. And if you go here, I've got an article up. The history of Dogecoin, the joke currency that is worth more than Barclays and Lloyd's. That is insane, guys. Dogecoin stole the spotlight from the world's largest and second largest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, this week after it surged more than 200% in 24 hours. Giving it a market cap of $52 billion. Over the past week, it has rocketed as much as 550%, which has pushed it beyond the value of several major banks on Friday, including Barclays, which has a market cap of $44 billion, and Lloyd's Banking Group of $42 billion. And it also ranked 10th largest cryptocurrency in the world. Thousands of investors made substantial gains on the rise on the social media platforms were populated with memes about the coin going to the moon. This phrase is often used by traders that think the price of the stock or cryptocurrency is going to see a huge increase. That is going to happen, guys. The amount of traction this coin is getting at the moment, it will go up in value, I believe. Who knows what's going to happen, but a lot of people, I remember people saying that Dogecoin wouldn't hit something like 25 cents. Now it's sitting at above 50, like almost at 40 cents, so over 40 cents. So who knows? Nobody can tell what's going to happen with cryptocurrencies, guys. And I'm glad I got onto Coinspot when I did. So if you're new to Coinspot, it's a link below. Sign up using that referral code if you like. We can get a piece of Bitcoin, $10 in Bitcoin when you sign up using the referral code below. So guys, I did make some further purchases. I'm just going to have a quick coffee here. I purchased, what time I got here? Just after 10. I purchased Theta. And obviously with everything, guys, make sure you do your research and make sure you're comfortable with everything you do on these platforms and investing your money. Make sure that you do your own research, because I do this for fun. It's not financial advice by any means. But I will say I purchased some Theta. I purchased some REITH, STR, ADA, TRX, ETN, SC, BTT, ANKR. I believe it's XRP, T-Fuel, and DGB, guys. They're the coins that I've purchased in my portfolio. And we'll go there. So you can see I'm sitting at $5,800 there in my current portfolio, guys. And Cardano is $1.07. LGO, these are some of the ones that I'm watching at the moment. ANKR is one that I bought as well. Bitcoin, $74,000. BTT is one that I bought at 0.01, so it's 1 cent. And DigiBuy, I bought at 17 cents, around there. Dogecoin obviously has gone through the roof. ETN was another one that I bought, guys. HBAR is one that I'm looking at the moment. Chainlink is another good one as well. And Refinance is one that I've purchased in as well, just because it's at 0.05, the same time when Dogecoin was at when I bought it. REN's another one, guys. REQ. SC was one that I purchased as well. And XLM is another one that I'm looking at heavily at the moment, guys. So 0.7, so 70 cents a coin for XLM. Predicted to go up as well. And let's have a look and see what else we got here. STX was one, and I'm looking at T-Fuel I did buy as well. Theta is one that is getting a lot of press at the moment, just purely because they've been awarded some patents as well in the US, so it gives them exclusive rights to whatever they're doing there. And I have to do more research on Theta, but be prepared that there's some big things happening with Theta as well. And XRP is another one that everyone's talking about as well, just given they have been through a lawsuit, or are currently going through a lawsuit. Don't quote me on that. I'll have to do more research, but XRP is currently going through that process at the moment. The coin has pretty much remained fairly stable throughout the month. Let's have a look here. And it has increased as well, guys. So if you had bought this at around 70 cents, where are we? In early April, guys, it would have been at 70 cents there, and it's now up to it peaked at $2.40, and now it's sitting at $1.90. This is what I'm trying to explain in regards to cryptocurrencies, guys. The gains that you're seeing in these coins, it's just you will not get this anywhere other than cryptocurrency exchanges and crypto investing, guys. It's unbelievable. I can't explain it. I'm blown away by everything in this cryptocurrency world. It's an incredible way to invest your money, but make sure you're safe and do your research, guys. I'm getting on the bandwagon because I think it's incredible. And just another thing, guys, I'll get into my dividend portfolio because that is important as well to me. And today, as of today, Monday, I'm sitting at $20,969 USD. I've had $53 in gains on the day as of Friday last trading session, and sitting at 29.20%, which is $4,739 in total gains, which is awesome. Dividends there of $8.57, and I'll get into those in a sec. And mixed bag across my portfolio, guys, but that's to be expected. And so let's get into some dividends that I received. AGNC $1.54, VTR 7 cents, guys. ERF dividend of 4 cents. PBA, which is Pembina Pipeline, it's a monthly dividend payer, guys, 86 cents. BEN dividend of 14 cents. Main Street $1.22. O Realty, guys, love real estate REITs, $4.75 in dividends, Stag $1.22, and WPC at 0.23. That is incredible, guys. And if we go to my dividend tracker, guys, $950 a year in dividends, $79 a month. That's almost up there, guys. It's really good to see. $2.60 a day. Average yield is 4.52% across my portfolio. I'm due to receive a dividend from PSEC, risky stock, guys, $8.11. Top payers are still ExxonMobil at $280.51, SPHD at $123 a year, and Prospect Capital at $97. 32% of my dividend goal of $3,000 a year has been reached, and 30.19% is from energy and minerals. And dividends receivable this month is $26.05. And my portfolio is sitting at 27,000 Australian dollars, which is unreal, guys, and sitting at $6,000 in gains. That's because of 2020, investing throughout the stock market throughout 2020, guys. And going down to the bottom here, 10-year chart, without doing any more reinvesting in terms of my money, just using what's in there at the moment, I'd have a portfolio of $45,000 with $3,200 in dividends a year. And in 20 years, I'd have $151,000 with $19,000 in dividends every year, guys. That is awesome. So with regards to this month, Prospect Capital's in 3 days on the 22nd, BNS on the 28th, SJR and Gain, and I've got a big one being paid out, 8 dividends being paid out at the end of the month, guys, and SPHD is one of them at $10.31. And guys, that's pretty cool. That's pretty much my dividend portfolio as Monday the 19th of April. And with regards to the cryptocurrencies, guys, really have a look at it. Do your research. Make sure you're comfortable with investing in cryptocurrencies. As mentioned, I purchased these ones here, guys, just so you can do your own research on them, because I find it's difficult to find some, locating information about, good investment cryptocurrencies. I've had a lot on TikTok, believe it or not. I've gone on YouTube, there hasn't been much. There is, but it's just all scattered everywhere. So I'm looking in, and I have bought these, and make sure you guys do your research and make sure you're comfortable. I've bought into DOGE, Theta, Reef, STR, ADA, TRX, ETN, SC, BTT, ANKR, XRP, T-Fuel, and DGB. So I'll just quickly show you what these look like just while we are here. Okay, so let's look at Theta. That's sitting at $15.45 a coin with a market cap of $15 billion, guys. Is that billion? Yes, it is. So many digits there, it's unbelievable. Theta. The other one was Reef, guys. This one I believe is a good buy at the moment, sitting at 4 cents, guys. This is at a discount as well. It's got a market cap of $557 million, and there has been a lot of volume trading as well with that. So Reef is one that I've looked at. The S one is STR, and I believe this is XLM. I don't know why, but anyway, so this is a different name, but it's sitting at $16 billion market cap there, and it's sitting at 73 cents, guys. That's XLM. Let's have a look at what else we got here. STR ADA. This is Cardano. This coin has only 45 million coins in circulation, guys. So when it runs out, it's going to be going up in value as well. Sitting at $53 billion in market cap, guys. $2.6 trillion in trading volume. $2 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours, and it's sitting at $1.69. That is a discount as well. Let's have a look here. What else have we got? TRX, guys, was one. Tron, I purchased some of this as well at $13 billion market cap, $2.2 billion in trading volume in the last 24 hours. What else we got here? ETN, guys, was one that was cheap as well. Whoop, excuse me, still early. Let's have a look here. This one here, guys, sitting at 3 cents a coin, sitting at a market cap of $500 million there. So that's pretty cool, guys. 2 million. I keep saying these dollar signs. It's unbelievable. $2 million in trading volume in the last 24 hours, guys. What else have we got here? SC was one that I bought as well. It's sitting at 6 cents. This has got a market cap of $3 billion and what do we got here? $1 billion in trading. There you go. So SC, guys, is another one sitting at that price there. I think that's quite good. BTT was another one as well that I'm looking at, and I did buy it, sitting at 1 cent, guys, sitting at $6 billion market cap. And let's move on to the next one quickly, because I know you don't want to keep you guys. ANKR sitting at 21 cents, guys, and a market cap of $1 billion there, and $185 million in the last 24 hours trading. What have we got here? XRP, guys. There's a lot of hype about this coin at the moment, but it hasn't really moved much on the month. It's pretty much just flatline. It hasn't really changed throughout the week. $84 billion market cap. $8 million in the last 24 hours has been traded. Let's have a look here. XRP Fuel. This has something to do with Theta, guys. So there's I think it's like a sister or brother company here, sitting at 42 cents a coin. $2 billion in 2 trillion or billion dollars in market cap, guys. $93 million in 24 hours trading there. So there is some movement with this particular coin, guys. And the last one, guys, is DGB. So Digibyte here, sitting at 17 cents. And this has got a $2 billion market cap as well. Billion dollars, sorry, and $479 million in the last 24 hours. So what I like to do, guys, is try and buy the coin so low that even if it goes up to like 10 or 15 cents, if not 20 cents if you love, 50 cents if you're lucky, you will see those gains with a minimum investment. And if you can, try and pull out what you've invested, so you're just playing with the house money. Use that house money to play the game with cryptocurrencies. And that's my philosophy, and that's what I'm doing at the moment. So that's just my idea of what cryptocurrencies are at the moment. And as I mentioned, guys, I haven't seen these kind of returns in cryptocurrencies or anywhere at all, which has blown my mind in the last couple of weeks doing cryptocurrency investing. So that's where I'm at the moment, guys, with my cryptocurrencies, my dividend portfolios, and that's pretty much my diversified investments there, guys. You've seen it all. I'm being completely open book about it, because I think it's important to show you guys, so you guys can do your research and diversify your investments as well. And as mentioned, I do this for fun. It's not financial advice by any means, so make sure you do your research. And I keep saying that because it's very important that you make sure you're comfortable with losing money that you invest, and make sure you only invest what you can afford to lose, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Alright, so that's an update as of Monday today, guys. Hopefully we'll have an update towards the end of the week with regards to my cryptos and whatever else is happening in the investment market. Alright, so make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll provide an update on my purchases and my cryptos and my dividends as well. Alright, stay safe, happy investing, guys. Have a good week. Peace. Bye.